Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop automatic tabs opening in Google Chrome. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Google Chrome. Now the first thing that we are going to do is click on this three-dotted icon. From this menu, you're going to click on Help, choose About Google Chrome, and it will show up this page. Now make sure your Chrome is updated to the latest version. As you can see, my Chrome is already up to date. If your Chrome will be not updated, you will see an update and restart button just right here. Click on it and it will instantly update your Chrome. Now, the second way you can solve this problem is click on the On Startup button. Now, click on Open a specific page or set of pages button, and if there will be any page added here, you'll have to just click on the three-dotted icon and click on Remove. When you click on Remove, it will instantly remove any kind of pages that will be added to the startup of Google Chrome. That means when your Google Chrome starts, that page will not open up if it will not be added in this list. So make sure this list is clear. After that, you can navigate to Reset Settings button and click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. After this, you'll have to click on Reset Settings button. This will reset some Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. So click on Reset Settings and make sure you reset your Chrome. After following these steps, you would have successfully stopped automatic tabs from opening in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.